What's up friends, welcome back to Drew tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to select and change colors in Canva. Now you can do this for your personal image that you upload, or it can be for image that you find in Canva photos. Now for the purpose of this tutorial I'm going to choose something in Canva, so let me just head over to photos. And yeah, let's type for example cars as an example. Yeah, and let's find something that contains multiple cars. Here there's one image here with multiple cars here, so we can use this as an example. So in order to change color, we're going to change this color here. So just simple click and edit. You want to ensure that you select the image, of course, and then click and grab. You have the magic grab, and once you select the magic grab, you can choose if you want it to be on the brush or the click. Ensure that you select the click option. By default it's going to be there, and you can choose what in the image you want to change. So I'm going to focus on, let's change this car here. So I'm going to select this and simple click and grab. Now let's allow it a moment to grab this image. Now once the image is grabbed, you'll have all of those options available to you. Now on the upper left hand side on the image, click and adjust, and you're gonna have the option to adjust the image colors and so much more. So you want to scroll down to where you'll find the colors for that image that you select to grab. And yes, we want to go ahead and select the color of the car. So this is the color. So once you select it, you can go ahead and you can change the color and have a look at that. I just changed the color here of the car, and I can change it to whatever I want. So let's put it to this color, right? Really nice. And that's it. That's how easy it is, guys, to go ahead and select and change colors in Canva. If you find value here within this video, guys, and appreciate it, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question. And of course, if you'd like to learn more about how to use Canva, it's amazing tools, hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release more videos just like this one. On top of that, guys, towards the end of this video, you will go ahead and you'll find a playlist where I show you quite a lot of how to use Canva. Now let's go ahead and download our image. So I'm going to click and share, click and download, and I'm going to simply click on a really nice quality of this image, and I'm going to click on download. So I'm going to download this beautiful image so that you can see the nice image of what I did to this. So let's go ahead. So this was the image that we first worked on. So let me go ahead and put that image here on the canvas so that you can see it. So let me go ahead and remove this. Let's add back the image. So this was the previous image, and now this is the image that I've changed and created to. And that's it, guys. How amazing is that? Right? I know, guys. So if you found value here, thank you guys for your time. Subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate that, and see you in the next video.